Dear students, in today's video, we are going to learn very important topic in mathematics, that is test of divisibility. In this topic, we are going to learn test of divisibility of 2, 3, 5 and 10. This topic, test of divisibility, is very useful to solve various type of example in mathematics. Test of divisibility is very useful to solve various type of example in various competitive examinations. So let us learn the test of divisibility of 2, 3, 5 and 10 in this video. Now let us first learn test of divisibility by 2. Which numbers are divisible by 2? Which numbers are divisible by 2? So the numbers should have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Numbers should have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at the ones place. At ones place, that is unit place. Now this 0, 2, 4, 6, these are the even numbers. So if this even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are at ones place, that is at unit place of a number, any number, it may be any digit of any digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, 10 digit, any number, if unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, or in other way, if the last digit of any number, if last digit of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number is divisible by 2. So, how to identify the number which is divisible by 2? The last digit of the number, if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number is divisible by 2. So, here are some examples. Let us see among these examples which are divisible by 2 and which are not divisible by 2. If we see this number 2146, in this number last digit or the digit at unit place is 6. So as per our test of divisibility, the numbers 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, among this any number is there at a unit place, then that number is divisible by 2. So here 6 is there at unit place, last digit at ones place. So this digit number is divisible by 2. Yes, this is divisible by 2. Now the second example, here the last digit of the number is unit place. Last digit of the number is, that is 12,345. The last digit is 5. So here we don't have the digit a even number. These are the even number. Here this is not a even number. So among this number, this 5 is not there in this list of the number. So this number is not divisible by 2. As last digit is unit place is 5, so it is not divisible. Then third example, 50961. Again here the last digit at unit place is 1. So here this is also not divisible by 2. Now let us see fourth example, that is 72,130. The last digit of this number, is 0, unit place is 0, and when the number is 0, 2, 4, 6, any of the digit is there in the unit place, then that number is divisible by 2. So here 0 is there, so it is divisible by 2. Then this number 9865,712. Now 2 is the unit place, so it is divisible by 2. When we divide these numbers by 2, the remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. If we divide this number by 2, remainder you will get 0. If you divide this number by 2, you will not get remainder as 0. So they are not divisible, completely divisible by 2. Now here also the unit place is 3. So at ones place there is 3. So it is not divisible by 2. Now here the digit at one place is 4. So digit at one place is 4 or unit place is 4 or digit of the number at the last digit of a number is 246. If last digit is 2468, then that number is divisible by 2. So here 4 is there. If you divide this number by 2, you get remainder as 0. So this is divisible by 2 as ones place the number is 4. Then last example, the digit at last digit of a number is 8 or digit at unit place is 8. Therefore the number is divisible by 2. So this was test of divisibility by 2. Now test of divisibility by 3. Which numbers are divisible by 3? Let us see. If the sum of the digits in a number is multiple of 3 or divisible by 3, either multiple or divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So the test of divisibility of 3 is, if the number in the sum of the digits in the number is multiple or divisible by 3, then that is number is divisible by 3. So let us see the examples. This whatever numbers are given, are they divisible by 3 or not? So sum of the digits. Now this is 5-digit number. So let us add the digits, sum of the digits, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Add all 5 digits. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, and 10 plus 5 is total is 15. Is 15 a multiple of 3? Yes, 3 5s are 15. Or is 15 divisible? It is going 5 3 table. So here this number 1 3 1 2 3 4 5. This number is divisible by 3. Now let us see the second example. Is this number 9876 divisible by 3? Let us check. So sum of the digits. Sum of digits of number is 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6. Add all digits. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 7 is 24. And 24 plus 6 is 30. Is 30 multiple of 3? Yes, it is multiple of 3. So this 30 is divisible by 3. Then this number 9876 is also divisible by 3. Yes, this big number is also divisible by 3. Now next example, 40205. So let us take the sum of this digit. 4 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 4 plus 0 0, 0 plus 2 6, 6 plus 0 is 6, and 6 plus 5 is 11. Is this 11? Is this 11 multiple of 3? No, it is not coming in 3 table. So this number 40205 is not divisible by 3. Next example, 213573. So sum of the digits sum of the digit is 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3. Now add all this number. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, and 18 plus 3 is 21. Is 21 divisible by 3? Yes, 21 is divisible. 3 sevens are 21. It is divisible by 3. So this number 213573 is divisible by 3. If you divide this number by 3, you will get remainder 0. Let us see the last example. 97531. So sum of these digits, 9 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1. Sum of the digits, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 5 is 21, 21 plus 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Is 25 multiple of 3? No, 25 is not coming in 3 table. So this number 97531 is not divisible by 3. So this was the test of divisibility by 3. Now test of divisibility by 5. Which numbers are divisible by 5? So if the number at ones place, or unit place, that is last digit of a number is 0 or 5. If these two digits are at the unit place or the last digit of a number 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. If you divide that number by 5, then the remainder will be 0. So how to identify the number is divisible by 5? If the digit at the unit place or last digit of a number is 0 or 5. So let us identify among these examples which of the numbers are divisible by 5. So in this number, the last digit is 0, unit place is 0. So this number is divisible by 5. Here 57, second example, 5762, the last digit is 2. So our condition for the test of divisibility of 5 is 0 or 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Here the digit at unit place is 2, so it is not divisible by 5. Now third example, 19575. Here the digit at unit place is 5, or the last digit of a number 19,575 is 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Here next 98761. The last digit of a number is 1. So which is not 0 or 5. So it is not divisible by 5. And the last example 1250. The last digit of a number is 0. So this number is divisible by 5. This was test of divisibility of 5. Test of divisibility by 10. Now which number is divisible by 10? If the number at ones place or unit place is 0, only one digit, last digit of a number is 0, then that number is divisible by 10. Any number, if the last digit is 0, digit at unit place is 0 or 1, that number is divisible by 10. So remainder, if you divide that number by 10, you will get remainder as 0. So let us see the examples. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Is this number divisible by 10? See the last digit. The last digit of this number is 0. So this number is divisible by 10. Now 93,005. Is this number divisible by 10? Check the last digit. The last digit of this number is not 0. It is 5 other than 0. So this number is not divisible by 10. Here 75,060. Is this number divisible by 10? Last digit is 0. So yes, it is divisible by 10. 80,501. Is this number divisible by 10? The digit at unit place is 0, which is other than digit is 1, which is other than 0. So it is not divisible by 10. Last example, 3,51,020. The last digit of number is 0. So this number is divisible by 10. So we have studied here the test of divisibility of 10. Now at last, let us have review of the test of divisibility which we have studied, that is 2, 3, 5 and 10. Now in this given table, these are the numbers. We have to check whether they are divisible by 2, 3, 5 and 10. So let us check the first number. So test of divisibility of 2, when the last digit of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So here the last digit is 0. So this is divisible by 2. Yes, this is divisible by 2. Then let us check whether it is divisible by 3. Sum of the digits. Test of divisibility of 3 is what? Sum of the digits. You have to add these digits. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3, 6. And 6 plus 0 is 6. So 6 is divisible by 3. That is multiple of 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. Now whether this number is divisible by 5. So the test of divisibility of 5 is the last digit is 0 or 5. So your last digit of this number is 0. So this is also divisible by 5. And the last 10 test of divisibility of 10 is what? If the last digit of a number is 0, then that number is divisible by 5. That is at unit place 0 is there, then that number is divisible by 10. So this number 1230 is divisible by 10. So this number is divisible by all 2, 3, 5 and 10. Now let us take the second number, that is 9876. Is this number divisible by 2? See the unit place, last digit of a number is 6, which is even number. So this number is divisible by 2. Then let us check for 3, test of divisibility of 3. So sum of the digits, let us add these digits. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 7 is 24 and 24 plus 6 is 30. So 30 is the multiple of 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Now let us check whether it is divisible by 5. So the last digit of a number is 6. It is not 0 or 5. So condition for test of divisibility of 5 is what? The unit place should be 0 or 5. Then only it is divisible. So this number is not divisible by 5. Then is this number divisible by 10? No. The last digit is not 0. So it is not divisible by 10. Condition for test of divisibility of 10 is the last digit should be 0. Then only it is divisible by 10. Now let us take the third example, 7815. Now unit place, test for 2, unit place of a number is 5, which is not a even number, so it is not divisible by 2. Now second by 3, sum of the digits, 7 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 1 is 16, 16 plus 5 is 21, 21 is multiple of 3, 7 3s are 21. So this number 7815 is divisible by 3. Now the unit place of a number 5 by 5. The unit place of a number is 5. So this is divisible by 5. And at last, is this number divisible by 10? The unit place is not 0. It is other than 0. So this number is not divisible by 10. Now last example, 5430. Let us see the unit place. First is a even number, that is 0, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 0 is there. So it is divisible by 2. Then sum of the digits, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 0 is 12. So 12 is multiple of 3, 3 4s are 12. So this number is divisible by 3. Now last digit is 0 or 5. If last digit is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. So here 0 is there at unit place. So it is divisible by 5. And at last the 0 is the unit place. So this number is also divisible by 10. In this manner, we have learned the test of divisibility of 2, 3, 5 and 10. Thank you very much.